Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel that is Tech Aruna, and today we are going to explore about typical text effects. So how to do this? Let us check out. You can see here how this is done. So go to Canva, open a blank template and go to elements and choose a dancing girl silhouette, girl dancing, and you can choose the one which you like and then make it big. And now go to apps and search for depth text and then click on it. You have different text effect here, you can see that, and we are going to try out this one. And you can change the text over here, you can change the style also. Let us check out this, and I'm going to write dance and dance. Now you can change the fill also to different. Let me check out some new color, then outline color also you can choose. I'm going to choose the pink over here again. And again, you need to see the projection part, the depth part, which you can keep it minimize. I've chosen this. So here also you can go for spacing factors, and now after checking everything, just add to design. Now I had added only one time, so I can actually add many times so that it will give a circular format here. And copy and then click it, paste it, click it, paste it. That's it. Now you will get a circular effect here. And update design. Now you can actually enlarge it and you can rotate it the way you want it to rotate, and then you can duplicate this lady so that like you'll get a, we can check out this how this works. So you can see here how this is working. So the layers which we did is, we'll check out how the layers are done. Go to layer, show the layers, and you can see here two dancing girls in between the text. So this is how you have to create this. And thank you for watching. And if you like it, click the button like, share, and subscribe. And if you So thank you for watching, and if you like it, click the button like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to, so thank you for watching, and if you like it, click the button like, share, and subscribe. And if you have not subscribed, click the button subscribe. So thank you for watching, and if you like it, click the button like, share, and subscribe. And let us check out how this works.